Hi guys, I'm Ramay. I just have a medical checkup. You know for how much? For only half $1, mean 50 cents. For less than $1 I mean 500 won. I have a medical checkup. They test my chest. They test my height, weight. So now I'm going to submit into the Korean immigration. After that, I'm going to get a D4 visa and then going to start learning Korea. And then this is Yuseong-gu Health Center, which is called Yuseong-gu I forgot in Korean language because I have no idea what does it called. So if you're coming into Korea, I mean you really need to come and then have a medical certificate. This is my certificate of health. I mean the lady was very nice, the nurse. I was quite healthy. She said my chest is very healthy because I never smoke, I never drink alcohol, and then my weight is around 81 kg. I know I have gained some weight. If you don't know, in past I weighed more than 120 kg. Okay, now subscribe to my channel. See you soon.